Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate. I believe it came
Yay.
yesterday, but I have been extremely busy. So that's
Happy
the only-
Easter. We're filming on Easter, and we've already changed our outfits, so you can't see our ones we wore earlier, but
Okay.
we tried being
I'll
floral.
turn this card around, but it
This one I always feel like
it looks like that. Sorry, now I cover everybody's like face. Okay, and I will give that to you just to hold on to. Okay, first thing I am pulling out.
Let's see who
Aww,
she knows and who she does not know.
Dusty Rhodes.
Does it say Dusty Rhodes on it? Because
Aw.
then that's cheating.
It does. It says Dusty. It doesn't say his last name.
Oh, okay,
Ha,
good.
Dusty
Okay.
Rhodes.
Half point.
Okay. That's a cool shirt. I'd like to
I
wear.
know, I do like the shirt, so it's like,
Aw.
oh, another shirt.
And then the British Bulldog,
This makes me
Davey
think of,
Boy Smith,
this makes me think of the 80s or something.
the
like
Hart
80s.
Foundation,
But the theme was gone, but not
which I think I
forgotten.
mentioned I like Bret Hart used to be my favorite back in the day. Okay, and then, little Macho Man,
Oh, yeah.
Macho Man,
Oh, yeah, I didn't do that very well.
Randy Savage. Okay, and then I'm going through this fast.
Let's
And
guess
then,
it's all good so
aw.
far.
We haven't got him
Aw.
already, right? Ultimate Warrior,
Oh.
Micro Brawler.
I noticed where all your little dolls are, your little...
And that's what
Micro
Jack looks like,
Brawlers.
just in case. So cute.
They're
I
very
know.
cute.
And then I guess a video of Bam Bam Bigelow compilation. So there's that. And like the back if you want to see it. And then I guess I'll open this. I think apparently a watch. I think it's a
I know,
watch.
they don't usually give you watches, right? Like, that's
It
different.
came in plastic just in case you guys want to see. Again, Vader time. What is it like a?
Oh, cool.
Oh, I guess it's just a watch.
No, but
I think-
the way the numbers
No,
come
I
up
know.
is cool. Made
But-
me think of, like, Knight Rider. It was like,
Maybe if I like
turn it in time.
press it and like, I don't know. Hopefully it did it. I don't know. I can't see it while it's.
Yeah. it's just the
Anyway,
numbers
and
came
then
up.
let's see what is in the last autograph thing. Let's see.
I was
Oh,
like,
and then Adam Cole, baby.
I was gonna go, baby. Yay. That's a
Yay,
good one
so
to
I
have.
like it. Yeah.
I know, and it says gone but not forgotten to someone. But I was gonna say, how
I was
much?
like, all
how
of them
much? How much
yes.
is this box?
Except for him.
It's a good box?
It's I think like I want to say like
Unlike Loot
36
Crate.
or 37 or something like that.
Oh, okay. Okay, I forgot. I always forget every month. But if this video was short enough for you and you thought so, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaway. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers or less, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.